There are so many wonderful coffee desserts out there, but too often they're just a big pain to make. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Today I'm making a deceptively easy but dangerously delicious light coffee dessert for the Java fans in your life. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my coffee whip dessert, the ingredients I'll be using are 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules, 6.5 cups of mini marshmallows, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, chocolate pirouline wafer cookies, and to top it all off, whipped cream, either canned or fresh. This dessert has only 4 primary ingredients, and it doesn't take long at all to put it all together. We start off at the stove, so let's get to it. Using a large pan, I add 1 cup of water, then set my heat on high and bring my water to a boil. Then I turn off my heat and immediately stir in 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules until they're dissolved. Then I set my heat on low and add all 6.5 cups of mini marshmallows at once. Then I stir periodically until all the marshmallows are completely melted and blended in. I pour my mixture into a large glass bowl, cover with a lid or plastic wrap, and place in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now it's time to whip up our cream using refrigerated heavy whipping cream, a chilled glass bowl, and chilled beaters. I pour my heavy cream into my chilled bowl and start my mixer on low, then gradually increase the speed to high. I beat until the cream thickens and soft peaks appear. This took about 2 to 2.5 minutes. Now I carefully and gently fold my whipped cream into my marshmallow mixture until it's fully incorporated, being careful to not agitate or whip the mixture any further, which could cause it to lose its airy consistency and simply go flat. And no one wants that. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video. Almost 25 years ago, I had to learn fast how to cook and manage food for a blended family of 6 kids and 2 adults while working full-time. So if you're a parent, a grandparent, or just really busy, I get it. And I hope these videos will help make your life a little easier. Now, let's get back to finishing that dessert. Now I spoon the mixture into clear glass coffee mugs. I got these at my local dollar store. Or you can even use plastic parfait cups if you like. While I'm doing that, I've got a couple of tips to keep in mind when you make these. Number 1, when whipping the cream, it's good to start with cold whipping cream directly from the fridge and a chilled bowl, utensils, or attachments. It's also important to use a glass or steel mixing bowl and avoid plastic or copper bowls. They can cause a chemical reaction which inhibits the cream from fluffing up. And number 2, add your whipped cream and other finishing touches immediately before serving. If you're making these for later or for the next day, don't put the whipped cream on. Just cover each mug with plastic wrap and add your final touches when you're ready to serve. Since I am ready to serve these now, I add a generous serving of whipped cream, a chocolate pirouline wafer cookie, and finish these off with some shaved dark chocolate to make these look special, a little elegant, and fun. These are simple to make, kind of fancy, and man, are they good. If your family likes the taste of coffee, then these will bring them running to the dinner table where family is built, because if this is for dessert, they will come. Oh man, I love this stuff. Hey, Mr. Deb's Kitchen, you want one of these?
Heck yeah!
All to the fan.